Hi, I'm Linda. I'm 21 years old and I'm currently studying international business at Heidelberg. I'm from Karlsruhe, that's a city in Germany in the south. I love traveling, visiting new countries and experiencing new cultures. I'm also dancing hip hop. I played volleyball for a long time. Sometimes I also go to the gym, but that happens rarely at the moment. Here in the UK, I'm really enjoying being with the people, being with the team, working on my project. It feels really comfortable. And of course, the city is also really nice. It's a big city, and London you can do a lot of activities. So yeah, it's quite exciting to be here. Heidelberg is a big international company operating around the world. It also offers me the possibility to work abroad and also experience the working life in different countries. I'm working here currently in the Consumables department, and I'm working on the bundle deal project. So I'm currently analyzing the internal process behind those bundle deals to make it more effective. Heidelberg has a good reputation also for its education. And when I tell people that I'm currently studying with Heidelberg, it always leaves a good impression. It's amazing that they welcomed me and integrated me also in the team. I really have to say that I learned even more than I thought. I still have 1.5 months, so I hope I will be learning a lot. I'm just really thankful for this experience here and to experience totally different work life, and maybe hopefully I can come back one time. The printing industry needs young people with fresh ideas and a new way of thinking. And it's actually even a good chance for them to help shape the future and to be part of something that still matters.